This is a portable solar generator, model S2401. We have a few power cuts here, and also I have a camper van, so this should be useful for either. So this is the unboxing. So this is the SWAREY solar generator. I was expecting it to be a Bowden's, but it does actually look the same. We have an instruction manual, thank you and warranty card, and a box of accessories. So this is the package contents. This is the mains power adapter for charging the unit from your electricity supply. This is the female cigarette lighter adapter, which goes into the 12 volt output. This is the car adapter charger that plugs into the cigarette lighter port of your car. This is the USB-C cable. This is the DC MC4 solar charging cable, which you can attach to a solar panel. So we have 3 sockets on the left. The top one is QC 3.0 output. The middle one is 5 volt 2.4 amp auto USB, and the lower one is Type C USB. Moving over to the right hand side, we have the top button is the power button that switches the whole thing on. The middle button is to switch the AC inverter circuit on, and the lower button is for that rather large light at the bottom there. We have 3 sockets there. The outside ones are 12 volts out, and the middle one is the input to charge the unit, and it can be charged from the mains, it can be charged from the car, or it can be charged via a solar panel with its inbuilt MPPT controller. So we have a display there. So if we push the power button and hold it, the display comes on. So it's arrived and it's 3/5 charged. It's got 3 bars out of 5 showing. That has automatically turned on the DC voltage, so these two ports there are active and the USB ports are active. If you want to turn on the AC supply, which is 230 volts at 50 Hertz with a maximum of 200 watts, then this is the middle button. Now we see AC power 18 degrees C is the temperature of the battery, and we switch that off again. The lower button is this rather large torch. With 12 LEDs. By holding the button you can make it go brighter or dimmer. It can also flash or do SOS. This function here is in the event of a breakdown of your vehicle on the road. You can set this unit behind it or on the roof to warn of an obstruction in the road. On the rear we have a standard UK 13 amp type socket with 230 volts at 50 Hertz and a fan. So to just run through some of the specifications, you can charge it through a solar panel. It has MPPT technology, the built-in maximum power point tracking technology. This product could be charged by a solar panel efficiently. MPPT technology is designed to use with wind turbines and photovoltaic solar systems to maximize power extractions under all conditions. With MPP technology, the product can compare the output voltage of the solar panels with the battery voltage in real time. It then finds out the best power output for charging the battery and maximizing the charging efficiency. Or we can charge through the AC adapter or charge from the 12 volt cigarette lighter of your car. This unit has LiFePO4 batteries, which is lithium ion phosphate. Total capacity 240 watt hours. Life cycle 3,500 cycles to 80% capacity. These are the outputs it has and the input. And it has a 24-month warranty from the date of purchase. So the first thing we're going to do is put it on charge. So this cable fits into the middle of these sockets here, and I'll switch the power on. And it's now charging. It's been charging for about half an hour now, and its battery temperature is 34 degrees C. It's been charging for just over 2 hours now, it got up to about 44 degrees C, and then the fan came on and cooled it back down to 40. This is my camper van, the Volkswagen Transporter T4. I think this might fit nicely under the bed. The van doesn't have a solar panel at the moment, but it could have. Or you could use a portable solar panel to charge, or just take it away as a power pack and be able to get mains voltage and USB and 12 volts. The van already has a leisure battery in the cupboard and electric hookup and zig unit and 12 volt sockets and USB socket, but unless it's on hookup there is no mains voltage, so this SWAREY unit will be ideal for charging camcorder batteries and all sorts of things. It seems quite happy running this 32-inch Sony television. And happily charging this iPad mini, which is now at 100%. I haven't got much 12 volt stuff in the house, but I've just been and tried this 12 volt socket in the camper van using the dash cam, and it works from both sides, so from this one and from this one, 12 volts, no problem. So here we have a meter display plugged into the 12 volt cigarette socket, and you get 12.6 volts from that side. And 12.6 volts from that side. I haven't got a solar panel to test with, but as all the charging goes into this one middle socket, which is controlled by an MPPT controller, then I'm sure the solar panel will be fine as well. But at the moment I'm just using it as a big power bank and 230 volt inverter. Okay, we're back in the camper van. What I want to see is if this unit will charge the engine battery of the camper van using this CTEC MXS 5.0 smart battery charger. So the battery charger is plugged into the AC socket at the back, so we long press to turn the unit on, and then a quick press here to turn the AC on, and the battery charger springs into life. So the CTEC battery charger is now charging the engine battery of the camper van. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and review of this SWAREY S2401 solar generator. Thank you for watching.